close this window, and then we have Operation Pray for the World. So this operates exactly the same as the previous one. So you can just click on it, and Operation Pray for the World to advise. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi connection rather, but it's gonna appear. So as it appears, you can pray for the world there. There's a live barrier, so you can spend 50 minutes on it. Up to you, but I suggest you spend time on it, right? Very good time on it. And yes, so you can scroll left or right and pray for other countries on different days, on the same days as God leads you, Holy Ghost leads you. Right. So we've got Amazing Bible Facts here by Rev Tuma, and then yeah, you can love it. So in order for you to view this image, you're gonna have to make it full screen because it looks a bit too small at the moment. And yes, read this Amazing Bible Facts, and you will be amazed because not everybody knows so much the in-depthness of this Amazing Bible Facts. So this Amazing Bible Facts that to children who became the heroes and famous warriors of ancient times. Right, okay. So Amazing Bible Facts, we have it. So spend time, get your life renewed, continue renewed. Okay, upcoming events. These are any events that Ashadam Ministries, aka the Complete Nation, will have. So we had the High Life Conference in Winterfeld Multipurpose Hall. This was amazing, super amazing. So any upcoming events will be posted on that section. So the gallery, in this gallery, these are most or all of pictures taken during our meeting. So look at these pictures, you'll be inspired, you'll be amazed. Right? Yes, it's interesting how God can use anyone who avails themselves, take them to a whole new level, you see. So down, let's just go down. So you can join the email listing of the TNC rather, EMS, by putting your name and email address right there. So your name is Jethro, your email address is jethro@jethro.com. You can put it in there, yes. Okay, on to the next section. This is the blog. If you don't know, the blog contains all the articles that pastors written down. So your spirit can be trained, to walk in the path that you walk and control your body in the way you should control it. So this blog contains a series, many series. Am I saying it right? It contains different types of series by the man of God. So what you want to do, so for example, our post contains every single post, every single series, and every article in the series. So articles make up the series basically. So if you want to browse through all the posts, you can just do it right there, browse through everything. But what I suggest you do is, as you can see, I've loved all the posts, so I liked all the posts. So basically, this helps me. Okay, let's not get into that. So I'll tell you rather later. So what I suggest you do is focus on one series at a time to make sure the message is fully driven into you and you understand everything about it, right? So I'll click on the Complete Man, and the articles about the Complete Man will appear right over here. So I suggest you start on the first one. So the Complete Man 2 should be the first one because the Complete Man 1 has been taken out. So as you can see, when you scroll into the image, the text becomes kind of gray. That means it's a link for you to click on, right? And as you click on it, the full article will appear. And so you can read it, meditate on it, take the confession, use the further reading, scriptures, read them. So after that, you can love it, like it, and you will be given an option to comment right away. So the commenting option will not be given to you directly after, right? So you'll have to scroll a bit down. So you'll see recent posts and you'll see the see all option there, and then you just go down and you'll have the option to actually comment on it. So yes, you comment on it right there. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for I am convoy in Christ. Nothing is to be ever taken out. As you can see, that's the comment I wrote. But that should have been written there, but because of the recording, the laptop is busy. So I've already commented on it. So I search my comment. Sorry, excuse me, but it's far away. So after you write your comment, you can just click on publish and it will be published. And yeah, you can also share it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, right? So basically, what I would suggest you do too is actually, after reading the post, you actually like it and you comment on it. And you can share it, right? The reason you want to like it is because it helps you keep track of what you have done. So every single post you have liked, right, and commented, every article commented on it, liked it. So it helped me keep track on what I've not read and what I'm supposed to read. So after every article, like, to show you that you're actually done with that, right? So here's a search option. You can search for what you want. Let's say I want money. You can search about money, see what pops out. I don't think anything about money will pop out at the moment, but it's also Fisherman 3 will pop up. So these are notifications. You can check your notifications. So these are your notifications. So everything that is sent to your email should appear here, right? So now you can go to my profile. So you can go to about, right? So about will tell you everything about Ajada Ministries. So the man Pastor Ramazwane, the ministry was launched in 2017. You can read there the message we preach, the mandate, the vision to network the world. So that's basically the vision. So how you can get in touch with us, email, subject, message, you can send that. And basically, that's a wrap of the complete nations blog. That's wonderful. So if you're looking to, or you should rather be looking into expanding your spiritual activity or spiritual territory, you can spend time on the blog. You should actually spend time on the blog. It's actually amazing. Yes, for your spiritual and physical influence, I recommend the blog to you.
www.pastornzalamaonline.org. That's it. That's a wrap. Thank you for watching.